Find and replace tool can be really useful if you know that you've made a spelling mistake and you've repeated it many times. It saves you having to look for every single instance of that spelling mistake, and it will find them all for you very quickly. Here I've spelt cool cakes incorrectly. All I'm going to do is go to the Home tab and click on these binoculars, which are the Find and Select tool, and choose Find and Replace. On the Replace tab, what do I want to find? Well, I want to find cool because that's my misspelling. What do I want to replace it with? I want to replace it with the correct spelling, cool. Now, I can go through each one at a turn, find the next and replace it one by one, because it might be that I don't want to replace all of them. Or I could just go replace all and it will change them all for me. You can see down here it's changed them, and Excel has completed its search and made 2 replacements. OK, and close. So once again, go to the Home, click on the binoculars, choose Replace, type in what's incorrect. Let's do it the other way around just to have a look. Cool, and let's change it with the incorrect spelling, replace all, and it's done that for me. Cool cakes.